Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, also known as ADHD, is a mental health condition that can cause unusual levels of hyperactivity and impulsive behaviours. Individuals diagnosed with ADHD can have trouble focusing on tasks for long periods of time. ADHD worksheets are resources created to assist people with ADHD in managing their symptoms, staying organised, and improving their daily lives. There are a wide range of behaviours associated with ADHD. Some commonly known ones include having trouble focusing or concentrating on tasks, being forgetful about completing tasks, being easily distracted, having difficulty sitting still, and interrupting people while they're talking. Symptoms can vary on the type of ADHD you are diagnosed with. There is predominantly inattentive presentation, which means individuals have extreme difficulty focusing, finishing tasks, and following instructions. There is also predominantly hyperactive impulsive presentation, where the individual shows hyperactive and impulsive behaviours. This can include fidgeting, interrupting others, or speaking at inappropriate times. These individuals feel restless and have trouble with impulsivity. Lastly, there is combined presentation, which is when both inattentive and hyperactive symptoms are shown by the individual. These worksheets typically include sections for identifying symptoms, triggers, and coping strategies, allowing users to gain a better understanding of their ADHD and develop a personalised treatment plan. These worksheets can be used by parents, teachers, and healthcare professionals to better understand and support people with ADHD. Individuals with ADHD can receive the help they need to succeed in school, work, and life by working together and using these resources. These worksheets have a list of symptoms which the patient marks how often they experience each one using the rating scale. The rating scale goes rarely, sometimes, often, or always. After rating the frequency of your symptoms, rate how much each one interferes with your daily life. Use the worksheet's rating scale, which includes options such as not at all, a little bit, moderately, quite a bit, or extremely. Once you've rated your symptoms, the next step is to figure out what causes them. Fill in the column of the worksheet with any triggers you've identified. Stress, a lack of sleep, or certain activities could all be triggers. Finally, list coping strategies that have previously assisted you in managing your symptoms. This could include activities such as exercise, meditation, or breaking down tasks into smaller steps. To find our ADHD worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keyword to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.